Hi, I'm Dr. Raja, and you are watching my YouTube channel IT Tech Trend. Today, we are connecting router, switch, and two PCs. Objective of this lab are configure router, switch, and two PCs, assign IP addresses and default gateway to PCs, test connectivity using ping command and through PDU delivery. To start our lab, click on the network devices, and from the router we select a router model 1841. Then we need a switch. Click on the switch and select a switch 2960. Now we need a two PCs, so we can select the PCs and simply drag on the canvas. We need to be label the devices first before we start our activity. So first thing which I will do is place a note and IP address for our PCs 192.168.1.2 because the 192.168.1.1 we are going to be using for our router, and subnet mask because it's a class C IP address, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Copy all those details and just simply paste there and change the IP address from .2 to .3. And the router informations are IP address 192.168.1.1. In this router, we're going to be connect our the switch to interface fast Ethernet 0/0. So we can add here is the interface detail as well, FA0/0. These details we need it to be connected. Now we attach all those devices through the cables, and because they are not similar devices, so we're going to be using a copper straight through cable, PC0, fast Ethernet 0, and switch. As usual, I'm going to be reserved the first port interface for my router 0/1 and connect up first PC with the fast Ethernet 0/2. Then a second PC fast Ethernet 0/0 and connect to the 0/3. Now switch to router, again they are non-similar, so copper straight through switch. Now I'm using the interface fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/0 interface from our router. All devices are connected through the cables. We start our assigning the IP addresses. We start first from our router and make sure that our interface is fast Ethernet 0/0. So router, then interface fast Ethernet 0/0. For every router, the first thing you can see there is this is still showing a red, and it's not going to be turned green until unless we did not put a port status to on. Shortly you can see turn on. We assign the IP address v4 192.168.1.1, and I can copy this IP address from the PCs, and uh, the subnet mask is automatically assigned. I can configure PC0 desktop IP address, IPv4 address, and it's 192.168.1.2 subnet mask. Because this network is connected to a router, so we add our default gateway address. The default gateway address is here is the router interface address, the router interface which is connected towards the switch, that is 192.168.1.1. Similarly, second PC, desktop IP configuration, and it's 192.168.1.3, subnet mask and sub default gateway 192.168.1.1. Now our all devices are configured. We have to check their connectivity through a ping command pc0 command prompt, and I'm going to be send a ping command to second PC 192.168.1.3, and perfectly connected, packets sent for, received for, zero loss and zero connecting. Now we can check the connectivity to our router as well. Ping 192.168.1.1. Great. 4 packets sent, 4 received, 0 loss and lost. So router and both are connected and they're communicating each other. Now we'll send a delivery, the PDU delivery. So simulation mode, PDU, select the PDU, our sender PC0, receiver PC1. First we will send this message from PC0 to PC1. Message sent from PC0 to switch, and then to receiver PC1. Still it's showing in progress. Acknowledgement sent back to from PC1 to switch, and switch send a successfully delivery is sent. This is connecting. We check our PDU delivery to our router as well. So PDU, and this time PC1 to our router. Okay, we can send this video from PC1, send a packet to switch, switch send a packet to router. It's still showing in progress. As I said, the some in Cisco Packet Tracer, sometime it's not going to be delivered properly. The first time it show, it's going to be sent back PC1 to switch, switch send a packet to router, router sent back acknowledgement to switch, and still showing in progress, and switch sent back to and this is a successful delivery. So our network are configured and tested through the ping command and through the PDU delivery. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and leave a comment below, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.